Hello friends, welcome to the channel TrittleConnect.com. In this session, we will discuss a JavaScript practice question, and the question is asked in interviews in big companies like Paytm, Google, Microsoft. Okay, so the question is write a method to get sum of n numbers of parameters passed. Let's suppose you have a function and if you pass n number of parameters and you have to get the sum of that one. Okay, that means let's suppose you have a function named sum and if you pass parameters like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma up to whatever the this is not fixed, whatever the n is not fixed. Okay, and you will get output of all the sum. Output will be the sum of all. Okay, so how can you create this dynamic function? Okay, so in this session we will discuss two different methods. How can you achieve this one? So we will start with method 1, which is the simplest one. Okay, so for that we have a method let sum. Okay, so if you are using the arrow function, okay, then you have to use the rest operator and you will get arguments here. And similarly we will create for a normal function sum1, we can give it name. So you will get the arguments here only. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do use for let value of arguments. Okay, and here you will have a total equal to 0 and you will have total plus equal to v and then you will return t. Okay, now if you will console.log with sum1 and whatever the thing you will pass, you will get value if you will increase it. Okay, so this is the basic. If you want to do with the arrow function, okay, then you have to use this in place of arguments. Okay, and you will have values. Okay, that means in arrow function you will not get the default arguments, so that you have to pass the rest operator like this inside arrow, then you will get the arguments, and for each argument you can create a loop and will add and return this one. Okay, so this is the method 1. Okay, now we will come for the method 2. So for method 2, what we will use current concept. Okay, so basically first we will start with the function sum. We will first start with the normal function, then we will go for the arrow function as well. Okay, function, then you will have to return another function from here. Okay, here you will have a parameter, let's suppose a, and here as a b. Then you have to return b and check whether b exists. Okay, then you have to use the sum again, recursive. Okay, and you will have to pass a plus b, otherwise you have to return a. Okay, so now if you will have console.log. Okay, so you will use sum and you will have a value. Okay, and again if you have a value 4, then you have to call it, then you will get 6. So this is the current concept, okay, of JavaScript in which we return function. Okay, So if you will increase the value with 5, 11, up to n, you can do like this. Okay. Okay. So this is the current concept with normal declaration function. Okay. Now we will achieve same thing with the arrow function. So for that you have a sum equal to a is the parameter. Then you have a another parameter b. Then you will have b, same concept. Okay. Then you will use the sum a plus b. We will have question here for ternary, and then we will have a. Okay. So this is the help of arrow function. We are using the same concept here, but with the help of arrow function. So you can see you can get the same output with up to n. Okay, so this is the second method in which we have used the current concept with declaration function and arrow function as well. And this was the method one with the help of rest operator if you are using the arrow function. Otherwise, arguments will be used if you are using the declaration function. Okay, so this is the two type of methods which you can use to achieve this output of this question. Okay. Okay. Subscribe our channel for more coming videos on the JavaScript practice questions, and thank you for watching.